everyone, welcome to Meenu World. Today we will be seeing how to make a 3D diamond art. This is very easy to make and looks very nice as a home decor. You can use it as a wall hanging. You can either keep it in a portrait way or you can keep it in a landscape way. So let's get started with the tutorial. For making this, first you would be requiring a 10 by 10 cm paper. Follow the folding instructions as shown. You can use 10 by 10 cm papers like I am doing, or you can use any other bigger or smaller measurements for more big or small diamond art. After folding till here, your paper should look like this. You're going to be folding this part inside and cover it with the other paper part. Do the same on the other side. After doing till here, your shapes are done. I have made 2 of peach color, 2 of light purple color, 2 of light orange color and 3 of blue color. So you will be needing 10 in total. You can use any choice of colors as you wish. So now we are going to arrange it and then glue it together. So if you want, you can make this small diamond which requires only 4 of the shapes, or you can make the bigger one like we are doing today. You can use this image as a reference for placing your shapes. Now take one of the starting shapes and we are going to be applying glue to the edges of it. Now you're going to stick it in its place. In the same way, you're going to glue all the other parts together. After gluing, it will look like this. I have also trimmed off the sides. So now your diamond art is ready. This is how it looks from both the sides. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to get more of this type of crafts. You can watch my previous video on how to make a DIY paper lotus. The link is in the description below. Thank you.